Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how you can install Udaan translation tool in your laptop or desktop and what are the features of the tool. We have shared two links with you. One is for Windows users and one is for Ubuntu users. So based on your operating system, please click on the link. Once you click on the link will take you to our user guideline like this. Here in the very first page of the guideline, you can see we have shared another link, this one. So just right click on the link, click on open link. When you click on open link, the link will take you to your Google Drive and you will see a zip file like this, v3.5.4 Udaan. Select the file, right click on it, go to downloads and click on download option. When you click on download, you might see a pop-up like this, cannot scan file for viruses. Then you have to click on download anyway. Once you click on download anyway, the file will be downloading. You can see the file is downloading here. If you see an error while opening the file, this zip file, please enable third-party cookies for your Google Drive and follow the same process. Select the file, right click on it, click on download and then download anyway. Now, as this is a zip file, you have to extract this file. To do that, go to your download folder where you have downloaded the v3.5.4 Udaan file, zip file. Double click on the zip file, select the folder, click on extract to. Here you can select any folder of your choice and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the file will be extracted like this. Now open the extracted folder, double click on QPAD final application. Once you double click on it, the application will be launched. If you find an error, we have also shared two other software links in our guideline. Here, please download both the software and install it in your device. Once you double click on the QPAD final application, the application will be launched and you'll see a dialog box like this. Please check both the boxes and click on allow access. Also, if you are using Windows 7 or 8, to open the application, you need to install curl package, and to do that, please click on this link and watch the video for curl installation, especially for Windows 7 and 8. Now, once you click on allow access, the application will start and you'll see a pop-up menu like this. Here you have to select your role. So if you are working as a translator, please select the character role, and if you are working as a reviewer, please select the verifier role. Okay. Once you select your role, you'll see a window like this. Here, please click on create account. Here, click on create account. Once you click on create account, the link will take you to our online Udaan website like this. Here, please enter your email, name, password and register. Once you click on register, you'll get a verification email in your email ID that you entered. Please verify your email and come back to our tool and enter your email and password and log in. Once you log in, you can see the application will start like this. Now, here in this setting option, if you click on it, you can see log out, reset role. Anytime you want to log out, you can log out. You can reset your role anytime you like to. Now, coming to how you can use the tool for translation purpose. So, in the user guideline, we have also shared a sample file for you to practice. Just click on this download sample file. Once you click on it, you can see all the samples here. So, whatever language you are working in, just select the file. For example, if you are working in Assamese, select this first folder. If you are working in Bengali, select the second folder. So, after selecting, click on this download option and your sample file will be downloaded. Again, this is also a zip file. So, once you download the sample file, you need to extract the file. You can see my file is downloading here. So, just go back to your downloads where you have downloaded the zip file and you need to extract the file. My file is downloading here, downloaded completed. You can see here digital electronics, that is the sample file. Double click on it, select the file, same procedure as I mentioned before. Select the file, click on extract to folder of your choice, click on OK. Once you click on OK, the sample file will be extracted. Here you can see. Now, coming back to our tool, how you can open that sample file here. What you have to do is go to this file option, click on it, click on open project. Now, wherever you have kept your sample file or your project, select that folder. For example, just now we have downloaded the sample file and keep it in our downloads. So, select the download folder, click on the sample file folder, double click on it, select the project and open. Once you click on open, the file, the project file will be open in Udaan tool. Project opened successfully. Click on OK. Now here the files will be in character output. So click on that. Here you can see the pages of the sample file. Now talking about the features of the tool. To your right side, you can see this right column is called the sample text. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. The middle column is called translated text, and to your left you can see the project file. And we also have an option which is called dic, that is dictionary. As you can see, some of the words in the translated text that is highlighted in green color, these words are taken from dictionary. That's why in the dic option, the words and the dictionaries are included here. So you can see where the words have been taken from. Now, first feature is bold and unbold. For example, you want to bold a sentence or a word. To do that, select the word or the sentence, click on this icon, and you can see the word or the sentence will be bold. To undo that, you just click on the icon, select the words or the sentence and click on the icon again, and it will be unbold. We also have alignment features. So to change the alignment, select the word or the sentence like this, and here you can see we have left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. Here you can change the alignments. We also have highlighting features. For example, if you want to highlight a word, you just have to select the word, click on this icon and select the color of your choice, for example yellow. Click on OK. Now you can see the word is highlighted in yellow color. To undo that, you can simply click on this error, or you can go back to that icon again and change the color to black. Now we also have change of font properties. To do that, select the word or the sentence, click on view option, click on all font properties. Here you can see we have fonts, we have font style, we have size. So select according to your need and click on OK option. We also have insertion of image and resize of the image. For example, from the source text, you like to take an image and insert it in the translated text. To do that, for example, this image, you like to insert it in the translated text here, right here. To do that, please select the area here. Now click on this mark region and drag your cursor on the figure, table, equation, whatever you like to insert, and as it is a figure, I'll click on figure. Now you can see this image is inserted in the translated text. Okay, you can tell the size of the image is too large. To resize it, just click on the image. Here you can see these blue dots. What you have to do is take your cursor on the blue dot and drag it. Drag it. This is how you can resize the size of the image according to your need. As you click on the image, you can see all these blue dots. Just click on your cursor and drag it according to your need. That's how you can resize. Again, if you want to insert an image from your device, for example, you have some images downloaded in your laptop or desktop. To insert those images, please select the area and right click on it. You can see here the insert image option. Click on it. Once you click on it, select the folder where you have kept the images, where you have downloaded the images. Select the image and click on open. And once you click on that, the image will be inserted to your selected area. And if the size of the image is too large or you want to resize the image, simply select the image and you can see all these blue dots and just select your cursor and drag it to resize the image like this. Okay. We can also insert equations, tables in this tool. To do that, for example, you want to insert an equation. To do that, select the area where you want to insert, click on view option. Here you can see insert equation option, click on that, type the equation, anything, and click on file, click on insert equation. You can see the equation is inserted. Now, for example, the inserted equation, you made a mistake and you want to edit the equation again. To do that, please select the equation, go to view option and click on edit equation. It will take you back to the equation editor and you can change it here. Whatever equation you want to edit, for example, you want to write something like this. Okay, once you edit the equation, click on file option and click on insert equation and the equation will be inserted. Again, to resize it, just select your cursor and drag it. Once you select the equation, you can see all these blue dots and click your cursor and drag it according to your size. Okay. You can also insert tables here in the tool. To do that, select the area where you want to insert. For example, here, click on view option. There you can see table option. Here we have all the options: insert table, insert column at left, right, insert row above, below, remove column, remove row, merge cells and split cells. So to insert a table, click on insert table, click on how many rows you want, for example 5, columns, for example 10, and click on OK. Now you can see the table is inserted and you can merge the cell, remove a column or remove a row using the same feature here, the table feature. Select the table and whatever you need to do, select here. Now, in this translated text, you can see these green highlighted words that I already mentioned, that is the dictionary words. If you make any correction here, the word will be, once you save it, the word will be highlighted in yellow color so that you know the changes that you made. Here in the left side of the windows, here in the bottom left, you can see we have this time log option feature in our tool. So whatever amount of time you spend in the tool or in one page, that will be recorded here. Also, remember, once you make any changes in any of the pages, please click on Ctrl S so that the changes that you make will be saved. Okay. Now another feature we have here that is called global replace. For example, you find a particular word that is incorrect in most of the pages, that is frequently incorrect. So instead of changing the word in all the pages one by one, what you can do is you can change the word in one page, and this feature will save the changes in all the other pages. For example, in this text, I want to change this word. I want to remove the last letter. Here also I want to remove the last letter, or any kind of changes that you want to do it in one page. Here. And to save these changes, what you have to do is you have to click on Ctrl S. Once you click on Ctrl S, you can see the changes that you made. You change this word from here to here. So select it, the changes. Now here you can see this option, replace in all pages. Select all. You can do a preview as well. Once you click on preview, you can see this window will come where you can see the page numbers, where the words occur, how it looked, how it sound before replacing. You can read here, and after you make the change, how the sentence will look or sound, you can see it here after replace. Once you are confirmed with the changes, for example, you want to make the changes in page 150, click on that. If you don't want to make the change here, don't click on it. If you want to make the change here, click on here, the pages, in whatever pages you like to make the changes, click on the pages, go back and click on save and replace. Now this pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see 3 words changed, 1 instance is replaced, 1 files modified. Okay, this is our feature, that is global replace. Now again we have downloading the file as PDF option. For example, you have made the correction in page 150 to 151. These 2 pages you want to download it as PDF. To do that, go to download option, click on as PDF. Here you can enter the range of your page number. For example, from page 1 to page 2. Click on print set. Select the folder where you want to keep the file. I'm selecting the sample file here. Give a name. For example, I'm giving page 2 and click on save. When you click on save, you'll see another window like this. Here you click on print. Now these 2 pages are downloaded as PDF. You can see here, printed PDF successfully. Click on OK. Go back to the folder where you have saved the file. Here I have saved the file pages as PDF in this folder, so here you can see the PDF. You can see the PDF here. Okay. Now before saving the file as PDF, you can also do a preview. To do that, go to view option, click on PDF preview. Here, before saving it as PDF, you can do a preview also. Here you can zoom in, zoom out, change the landscape, change the orientation of the page, landscape or portrait. After you are confirmed, click on this printer icon, click on that and click on print and select the folder. Same process. For example, select the folder, give a file name, for example page 1, and click on save, and your file will be saved as PDF. You can check here, page 1 I gave, so the page is saved here. Now in this tool we also have the feature to save the files in cloud. To do that, please go to sync option, and after you are done with the correction, please save the file to your cloud. You can also sync the files from your cloud option. Now we also have the feature of document generation in our tool. To do that, please save your files to cloud after correction. After that, when you go back to our user guideline, scroll down and you can see this option, document generation. There is a link there. Right click on the link and click on open link. When you click on open link, the link will take you to our Udaan online website where you will be asked to log in. So enter your email and password and click on login. When you log in, click on export project. There the uploaded files in the cloud, you can see it here, and to your right side there is this option, download as document. Click on the download option and your file will be downloaded as document. So these are all the features of the tool. We have mentioned all the features in our guideline and explain it there properly. Please go through our user guideline and download the tool and use it for translation purpose.